Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you a tutorial on how to add email address in Facebook. So here, I've already opened my Facebook apps, and what you need to do is click on the three lines icon at the top and then scroll down until you find the settings and privacy option. Just click on that, and here click on settings, and then here in the personal and account information, click on that, and here click on contact info, and here if you want to add an email, you can just click on add email address, and after that just add or type in your email in here, for example like this, and then after that just click on add email. Okay guys, so that's all from me. That is how you can add email address in Facebook. I hope this video will be helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you all in the next videos. Bye.